Hello everyone! So today, kadarating ko lang from running my errands. And this is my time now, my self-time, to pamper myself with my newly acquired product, my Lumispa, together with its normal and combo cleanser. So I'm going to use this cleanser together with this gadget. So let's see kung ano yung mga promising results ni Lumispa. So today, I'm going to show you how to use this Lumispa gadget. And let's see the promising results after 2 minutes. Let's do it! So first, you have to wet your face with water. Then maglalagay na tayo ng cleanser dito sa ating head gadget. Tchanan! Ayan. So ganyan yung nilagay ko. And then I'm going to scatter it on my face, sa forehead, nose area, dito sa chin, dito sa face, and then dito sa kabilang face. Okay? And then I'm going to start the machine. Just press it here. So yun, iilaw naman siya. Ayun. Finish! So that is already the 2 minutes use of Lumispa. Kaya siya 2 minutes dahil 30 seconds sa forehead, another 30 seconds sa right face, 30 seconds sa chin area, and another 30 seconds to your left face. So a total of 2 minutes. So in 2 minutes, this gadget has 7 promises. So let's wash our face now and let's see the results. Ayan, so nakapag-wash na ako ng face ko and this is already my face after using this Lumispa gadget. It is more clearer, more cleaner, and it feels very soft and relaxing. I feel so clean now.